To help you find the correspondences between 3D and 2D elements more easily, Wrapstyler synchronizes their colors and names. On this example, we can see that the trim parts and their corresponding patterns are the same color. If we change the color of a trim part, whether it is in the Project Explorer or in the 3D Properties dialog box, this modification is automatically applied to the corresponding pattern and to its clones. In the same way, changing the name of a trim part in the 3D Properties also changes the name of the pattern in the 2D view. Note that it also works the other way around. Changing a pattern name in the 2D Properties dialog box will automatically rename the corresponding trim part in the 3D view.